Hi, it's Pia's Tarot. Hello, Cancer. Reading, tingnan natin kung sino tong nag-iisip sa'yo at bakit. So syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, so nandyan lahat sila. So meron tayong protection from evil eye, ring, necklace, and bracelet. Okay, and yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So pwede yan sa lalaki, pwede mong ilagay sa red pouch if ever. Okay, so yan siya. As you can see, meron kasi siyang mga citrine. Okay, citrine is like it's like acting na parang magnet, no? Money magnet. So yan siya. So ito yung ating mga citrine stone. Okay, so yes, again, I need your real name, ha? Dito sa atin pong, sa lahat naman ng ating tawag dyan, items, sa ating mga charms, no? And yung atin pong granter necklace, so si granter, taga-grant, okay, ng mga minamanifest mo, taga-grant ng mga hinihiling mo, okay, and syempre, again, ang aking advice is to use this, ito, at saka ito, together with evil eye protection, okay, para maprotektahan yung inyong minamanifest, okay, and syempre, by the way, this is made to order, and this is unisex. Okay, so, and lastly is yung ating pangtanggal MALAS. Okay, pwede yan sa bahay, pwede yan sa business. Okay, mas maganda sinusuot. Kung hindi nyo gustong isuot, pwede nyo ilagay sa red or white pouch. Okay, basta dalhin nyo lang palagi. Yun po, yun ang madalas tinatanong din eh. No, so, ibang details, PM na lang po. Okay, wag sa comment section, please. Hindi kami nag-reply sa comment section. So, kung may mag-reply man at kapangalan namin, hindi kami yon. Malinaw yon, okay? Kasi yes, meron pong mga gumagaya ng ating page at ng ating name. Be aware. Sabi ko, hindi kami nagre-reply sa comment section. So, matik. Pag may nag-reply nakapangalan namin tungkol dyan sa regarding dyan sa inyong tanong sa private reading or dito sa ating mga items, pag nag-reply yun, no, it's not me. It's not us. Okay? So, let's start the reading. Cancer. Cancer placements. So, is this person thinking of you? Okay, sino ba itong nag-iisip sa'yo and why? Kuha tayo ng ilang energy. Okay? Let's see. Who is this, Cancer? Sino itong nag-iisip sa'yo? The Page of Swords. Could be an air sign. Six of Wands. Itong taong to, ito is specific. May chance na siya ay nakikita ng tao or could be pinapanood siya through online. This is specific. Okay? Some of them or maybe nakikita mo pa to online. Okay? Pwedeng walang block dito. Hindi na kayo nag-uusap ng taong to actually. Pero there's no block. Wala akong nakukuhang block dito. Pero, itong taong to specific, napapanood to ng tao. Or sabihin nating nare-recognize, ng ibang tao. Pwedeng nakakuha siya ng attention from other people. I don't know how. Okay? May ganong, sabihin nating energy yung person. Napaka-specific nun. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Okay, like sa public. Okay, parang ganyan, nakikita siya I don't know, parang kilala ng maraming tao. Madalas na-recognize, parang ganyan. That's specific. So, let's see. Anong situation yun itong taong to? Some of you, hindi kayo magkausap. Nakita ko si Ace of Swords kanina na naka-reversed. Okay? So, anong situation nyo? Ace of Swords and the Two of Wands. So, there's, sabihin nating blockage when it comes to communication. Ito yun. Kanina bumaliktad to, sinamahan ito. Meaning to say, there's block. There's distance. Parang sabihin nating hindi ganun ka-open. The Two of Wands, it's not open. Yeah. Okay, so I think sa situation yun, nagkaroon ng missed opportunity or parang hopeless pagdating sa new beginning or another chance. Parang meron ditong somebody na nag-expect, okay, ng communication. May naghihintay ng communication ngayon. May naghihintay ng specific message ngayon. Okay? A reply maybe, a message. Let's see. Or, yeah, the Magician. The Seven of Wands, yeah. Pagdating sa communication, pwedeng merong tension, kaya hindi mangyari yung communication. Ito ha, may chance na itong taong to, or sa situation ninyo, hindi ko alam kung sino ditong naghihintay ng message. So, bakit kanya iniisip? Cancer. Bakit ka iniisip ng taong to? Okay, bakit? The Knight of Wands. Why? Why? The Five of Swords in reversed. The Ten of Pentacles. The Three of Swords. There's issue in general. Separation for some of you. Okay? Meron ditong parang gustong gawing approach. Okay? Approach. I don't know if this is talking about an occasion. Family. Something like that. Or commitments. The Knight of Wands, the Five of Swords in reverse. Andun yung sabihin nating something na pwedeng ine-expect. The Knight of Wands, the Five of Swords in reverse. Kaso nga lang, hindi ko alam kung naging consistent. May nangyaring consistent before, pero ngayon parang wala. Kasi itong mga knight na to, may tendency na hindi maging consistent nga. May in-expect na message. I don't know ha, pwedeng itong taong to nag-expect ng message sa'yo. Or vice versa. Pero hindi dumating, I think. Dumating ba? Parang hindi. The Three of Swords. Anyway, so there. So, communication ang nakikita kong isang dahilan kung bakit siya nag-iisip ngayon or a message, a specific message. So, let's see. Sino pa? Sino pa? Ang nag-iisip sa'yo, Cancer. Sino pa itong nag-iisip sa'yo? And why? And why? Who is this? Okay, nag-iisip nga. Could be an air sign. Lakas ng air sign, ha? Four of Swords and the Lovers. Pwedeng ka-connect mo to ngayon. The Nine of Cups. So, may nangyari ditong parang lagi na lang, itong taong to, Cancer, lagi na lang to naghihintay sa'yo. Pagdating sa kung ano man dito sa situation ninyo. Some of you, pwedeng magkarelasyon kayo ngayon. Pero, sabihin natin yung connection is parang unstable or shaky and rocky. Parang ganyan. So, I think there's this energy of one-sided. Okay? One-sidedness. Pagdating sa connection. Somebody's overthinking. Yeah. Let's see. Anong kailangan ko bang malaman dito? Yes, anong kailangan kong malaman? Oo. Ano bang meron? Yeah, the world in reversed. Somebody, sabihin nating stuck pa rin, no? Sa past. I don't know who's who. Could be you or could be this person. Ang stuck pa rin sa past. The world is here in reversed. May energy rin dito na parang hindi maramdaman yung salitang ang tawag dyan. Diba? Hindi ko rin masabi. Sapat. Okay? Oo. Andito yung salitang hindi pa rin sapat. Hindi kontento. Sa situation. Hindi kontento. Hindi ko maramdamang nakokontento ako or parang yes, may kulang. Yeah. Could be the commitments. Could be the commitments. Hindi strong ang foundation nito. Cancer. So, may chance itong taong to nag-iisip sa'yo kasi parang may kulang. Meron pa siyang hinahanap. Maybe the assurance. Maybe the something na masasabing secured siya. Okay, pagdating sa'yo or sa situation, sa connection. Let's see. Bakit kanya palaging iniisip? Anong iniisip niya? Or bakit ka iniisip? The King of Pentacles. The responsibilities. The stepping up. Yeah, the Nine of Wands. May takot to, Cancer. May takot to na bigla na lang mawala itong connection. Yeah, the Seven of Wands, the Three of Swords. Ang nakikita ko dito, one-sided. May chance na siya lang ang parang nag-e-effort dito. May chance na kaya siya nag-iisip parang ako lang nag-e-effort dito Parang ganun. Napapaisip siya na may mangyayari kaya dito sa connection namin. Parang ako lang ang may concern dito Parang ganun. See? The Sun in reverse. She or he is not happy dito sa connection. Nananamlay, nalulumbay. Itong taong to, hanggat nakakita siya ng something from you, even little lang, okay, igagaod niya to Igagaod niya. Okay? Pero darating at darating yung panahon na pwedeng i-Nine of Wands niya to. Ano po yun? What? I-throw yung white towel. Ano po ulit yun? Isuko. Okay? Nag-iisip itong taong to na hanggang kailan ko kaya ito kakayanin. Kakayanin ko ba? May mangyayari pa kaya dito? Kaya kanya iniisip ganun ang nakikita niya. You are on their head thinking, they're overthinking, they're scared of the connection, hindi sila nakakaramdam ng security, ng assurance whatsoever from you. Cancer. Na commitments. Okay? The commitments is wala. Kaya siya ganyan, nag-iisip dito sa connection na to. May chance na pwedeng itong taong to is nag-iisip ng magbe-break na rin ata kami nito or what. Magbe-break din naman siguro kami or Yeah, kailangan ko bang ilaban to? Parang hindi ko naman nakikitaan ng fairness tong taong to eh. Ganun yung tingin niya. Anyway, so let's see. Some of you, you're still stuck on your past, on your ex. Yun ang nakikita ko sa inyo, Cancer. You're still stuck. So, Aries through Pisces. Let's see. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Aries. Self-love. Selfishness, some of them. Taurus. Feeling complete. Andyan yung energy ng acceptance. Gemini, they're expecting. They're waiting. Cancer, I miss opportunity. Feeling a miss opportunity. Some of them, they're waiting for an, sabihin natin, unexpected something. Oo, dito sa connection. They're expecting. Leo, there's jealousy here. Some of you, andun yung energy na parang nagiging, tawag dyan, dumating sa puntong nagiging makasarili siya. Virgo, they want to talk. They want to end the no contact if ever. Libra, here they come with a love offer. Scorpio, some of them hindi sila believe sa sarili nila pagdating sa pagkakaroon ng another chance with you or a new beginning with you. Okay? They're like takot or hindi sila ganun ka-confident enough to do such thing like reaching out. I think. Sagittarius, feeling ni Sag, nilalayuan mo na siya. Capricorn, oops. Communication. Somebody wants to end the no contact, I think. Or it could be you, could be them. Aquarius, impatient. Next, Pisces, inconsistent. Okay, inconsistent si Pisces. Some of them, they're watching you, they're stalking you, but yeah, they're afraid. I don't know why. It's like, should I go or should I stay? Parang ganon. So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. Cancer placements again. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Love letter. Thank you. Goodbye.